Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a 700k founder trader, and today I will be showing you how I draw zones, how you should be drawing zones, and why this break and retest system is going to take you trading to the next level. Now, the other day I just want to quickly go through this. Someone left me a message. Why do I always show up my this here camera always when I start the video? Normally when you watch other YouTube videos and all that, they have the full screen, right? Why do I always show this like a small little corner? I mean, I can make it widescreen, full screen, obviously straight away. But the reason why I don't do that is because and this is what I used to, what happened to me was when I used to watch other people's videos, you never know where they're gonna take the camera, right? Here, I get to speak to you like this through the camera, but I also get to show you straight away, instantly. I'm gonna be speaking about the charts. Now, obviously, you don't really care, what car I drive, what kind of a house I live in. I mean, that's all great for inspiration reasons, but ultimately you just want to know how the hell you trade, right? How the hell do I trade? How I'm able to catch and if I show you one of my students, link him in the video description anyway in the Discord community. I think I'll just go through quickly through some of mine. I even post videos where I'm passing phase ones, just 0.5% risk, catching an 8% profit target with the 1 to 15 RR. You got this, everything's here. Students, FTM1, the number 4 on the FTM1 leaderboard, 1 to 22 RR. I mean, passing multiple prop firms within. It's all about transparency, this game. So there's nothing short of that when if you join Discord. I mean, actually, the testimonial, someone leaving a very, very positive review. So yeah, you can even come in the this link will be in the video description. Okay, so when I come to it, we're going to be using gold for the example. So when I see a chart like this, what do I now? We'll be very bullish, making obviously all-time highs. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame. We'll be using these different time frames. Now, another thing I'm going to get off the bat straight away, this is not the exact break and retest strategy that I use, or the way, because of the way I refined it over the years, and it's not the exact one obviously on my students trade. But the most simple version of the break and retest is still more than enough to make it profitable, which I'm going to be showing you for free. So let's go through this now. How would I draw my zones? Right, we've got a clean chart. How to start drawing these zones. Now you can start with a 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, 5-minute time frame, depending if you're a swing trader, scalping, or intraday trader. We can see levels, and I made so many videos of this by now, that you can see levels like these. That is going to be your support. Bearish candle, then turns bullish, and then pushing further up, and obviously you want to align them with wick rejections. So if I see another one, now the 1 hour time frame is a strong time frame. I can do this on the 2 hour time frame, I can do this on the 3 hour time frame, I can do this on the 4 hour time, you can do this on the daily, so on, right? But I'm going to stick to the 1 hour time frame just for example purposes. So if I just go on I'll draw another level here, right? Let's go and put this on another level here. And by the way, when you find value, please do like. It means a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't, because students are finding success, passing Propfirms challenges with the break and retest. I've passed challenges within 1 or 2 trades within 1 or 2 days. So if you're not using this strategy, and it's not even about it's the best strategy in the world, or as if I'm the best trader in the world. No, it's about and having a good edge. Now, what do I mean by that? Edge comes in different shapes and forms, but what I mean by that is having a powerful strategy. But normally we get confused that the more powerful, the better the strategy, the more complex there is. No, I believe real edges, the more better the edge, the strategy that kind of true RR can give you, the TPs, how easily you can hit those TPs, the kind of the positive impact it has on your PNL, what I'm trying to say, also combined with how simple it is to use. The simple aspect is super important for me. I'm not the smartest guy you'll ever meet, so keeping this super simple is always the most important part for me. So we've got support here, resistance here. Now I know someone's gonna obviously say, well, we've got this level here. Some people call this a fake out. Let's go to a small time frame, right? Now I'll go into this later, but for now I want to focus on here, right? We've got support formed here, we've got resistance, clear resistance, right? Now once price, obviously, do I want to take sells from here, buys from here? No, I've done that a long time ago. It doesn't work. It does not work. Breakouts is a clear sign of price showing intent, that which direction it wants to go. right? The amount of times you'll take a sell, even here, imagine you take a sell here, look at the super strong bearish candle here, right? You'll take a sell and price will just, you know, just knock you clean out. Now this, by the way, I just want to mention, this pattern like this is when, you know, bearish volume is dying down, bullish volume is starting to creep in, and then boom. It's got a small time frame. Let's see if it shows it. Okay, you can see the momentum shift, right? Bearish, this candle here, first this was a medium, this is going smaller now, and then we get the bullish candle. This breaks the high of this previous candle, and then price just spikes right through. So you want to obviously pay attention to like head and shoulder patterns, potential forming, you know, double bottoms, double tops. They'll take you a long way. Now let's go into how would we, you know, obviously coming Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, you want to obviously, if price breaks above this, let's bring this, price breaks above this, wait for some kind of a rejection and let it fly up. Vice versa, if it breaks through here, you want a little bit test and come back down to this level, right? This is a major level. Let's go on the small free look. I mean, see that? And if I drag this across, that's why it perfectly aligns with this. Now if I go on the 4-hour time frame, let's bring that 4 hours. Okay, we can see now multiple wick rejections here, multiple wick rejections at the top. Now you tell me, you know, where do you think this is gonna go? Price gold is making all-time highs. We have been super bullish for a long time. You know, price is just going higher and higher and higher and higher, right? Well, the obvious answer is, you know, keeping everything simple is, if you're just gonna answer like is up or down, up, right? So now obviously the focus on the upcoming week should be looking for potential only buys. If I want to focus on sells, well, from this level, when this, you know, when this bearish candle broke this huge support level, the trend is like a river. I want to make something very clear. Volume is like the current, the speed of the current of the river, right? When you look at a trend, you want to identify levels of current pressure. The pressure where, okay, I'll give you an example, right? Let's detect levels of volume, right? I like to keep things very simple. Look at this. This is a volume candle for me. Why? Compare the size to the last 5 candles, right? This tells me, you know, buying pressure, the buyers are in full control. Let's look at another one. Let's find another one. Again, look at this one. Try to identify those candles that have a lot of volume, right? I mean, look at this. Then obviously price starts settling down a bit, but you can see, even if you was to count, which are there more green candles, are there more red candles? Well, obviously, you know, we're seeing more green candles. So we all, and this is how you take, you know, how you can have A+ setups. Or the more patient you are, you make money by sitting on your hands. But you, like, how can I say this? Less is more. If you take less trades, the more you'll earn. Even if I show you one moment, let's go into my live trades that I post. Okay, so look at this. This is obviously on Friday, where I said, was it on Friday? It was a break-even trade. It was a running at 1 to 4, and then it went to break even. Then obviously lost one trade before this. So I mean, but 2 trades for that day. You know, if you come into the live trades, you can see how many trades I take in a day, right? You know, and pretty much the highest quality setups. And this is why I'm able to pass Propfirms challenges. This was 2. So this was FTMO passed on a Monday, funding pips passed on a Tuesday, both within 1 day. And it just goes on and on. It just goes on and on, right? So it's all about, you know, patiently waiting for your confluences, patiently waiting for the right time. It's like a tiger or a predator that waits you're hiding in the grass, tall grass, to, you know, jump on its prey. It doesn't just run or, you know, run at its prey. It waits for the confluences. Confluences for a predator could be waits for until it's nighttime, right? It's harder for the prey to you know, detect it, even see it. You know, the predator might just hide in, again, like I mentioned, tall grass. It waits for the right time. It might even wait for when the prey turns its head away from the direction where the predator is coming from. It's looking the opposite way. So all these are confluences. Just like that in trading, you have to have your confluences, right? So here we've got volume, we've got our bullish trend. Obviously that is a no-brainer where the market's going. We've got our bullish trend. So why would you not take buys, right? What the only reason I would start focusing on sells if I see some kind of or major structure being broken, right? Let's just say price comes here, right? Might even come down here and just go all the way back up. If it starts breaking this area, and then it starts, rejecting this area, and then, then obviously more of a chance we're on a, should start focusing on sells. But when that's not happening, even if it comes down here, right, this is a structure level that would be broken, but still, do I want to fight? Okay, this is why I meant, if price start breaking this level here, right, this level, why? Because look at this major high in the past. This was obviously when price started testing resistance breakout. So where the major breakout happened previously, if we start going down from that, you see, that's when you know that, okay, I should start focusing on sells. And when price is all the way up here, right, even when it comes down here, this is maybe it could start ranging, consolidating, and then again it's just a 50-50 thing. I'm just buying from here, selling from here. You want to wait patiently. So let's go on okay, so let's break some of these down, right? Let's break some of these down. So we got resistance formed here, breakout here. So let's dissect this now. Let's dissect this. Another thing you can look into as well is the quality of the breakout candle. You can add that as a confluence. Look at this candle here. Let me just move this. Look at the quality of this breakout candle here. How crazy is that? Insane. Why? Remember when I said, look at it, you're seeing volume momentum shifting? Look at this. Bearish, medium size, small body, big body, boom. But look at this. What's different with this huge, well, I've just said it there, haven't I? This bullish candle, and if I turn on the candle strength indicator, let me bring this, just candle strength. 84% candle strength. It's a strong big candle. Volume, look at the size of it compared to the previous candles. No brainer, right? Big candle, volume behind it as well. Now what do? We're just gonna wait. So we got the breakout. Now we're just gonna wait for a rejection. Let price moment. It's just flown off literally. So I was actually supposed to go to a smaller time frame because we got other levels of resistance here. Okay, perfect. Let me just move this out the way so you can see more clearly. I can see straight away. I'm not even using the candle strength indicator. This is a 100% candle strength. This is 100% candle strength. And this is 100% candle strength. Why? There's no wick at the top. Let's say it might be 99%. Okay, yeah, I can see straight away. 100% here, 100% here, 100% here. Buyers and you have full control. Look at this, 93%. This is a super strong 93% bearish candle, but why has it no value? No value in my eyes. Why? Even though it's a long wick rejection, as we know, this is a very, very strong bearish candle, but it has no value in my eyes. It's formed above resistance. I don't care. If it forms, below resistance, then it's like, okay, something's going on here. It's formed above a support level, sorry. It's above support, and, it's got no value. If it forms below resistance, then it's got value. Now, what can I do from here? Well, this is a bullish engulfing, if we're speaking in terms of bodies, right? So, excuse me, but this bullish candle here closed above this bullish candle. This, by the way, I want to make something clear. This here is resistance. This here is resistance. This candle closes above. That's why you get a perfect rejection. Now, let's go on a 2-minute time frame. Let's see, look for more clues, right? Okay, see, this is much better now. This bullish candle, again, 96%, 100%, 100% here as well. Let me move this out of the way. Let me just move this out of the way. Candle strength indicator. Okay, now what do we see here? Right? Let's just say, you're not even going to take your entry off this candle here, even though it's a bullish engulfing. This obviously closed above this bearish candle. Engulfing candles, we know, are great buy signals. There's another signal. Remember on the other 5-minute time frame, I believe I marked this resistance, right? Look at this. Look at this candle here. This little one here. Long wick rejection. Super, super strong. No wick at the top. 100% candle strength. You can take a buy from there. Why complicate trading? And this is gold. So normally I use around 200 points. Focusing mostly on indices now. The indices just move like insane. Absolutely in love with them. So what I'm going to do is color this, okay, like this, and then just hit play on this. Whether you're looking for a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, My biggest edge is the way I draw my zones. This is why you see me. If you go, more than welcome to, if when you even in the Discord. This is why, and not just on my, in my Discord. You can check out my YouTube channel as well. There was one video. I can't remember if it's in here. Obviously, you can just there's it's just showing me where I'm just passing these challenges quite easily. There's most of majority of them. I really still need to put more and more into this. But you can see this. Why my biggest edge is the way I draw my zones. That's it. If someone asks me, if you can't explain your edge in a simple sentence, you don't have an edge. That's the reality, right? My edge, I would say, is you know my ability to draw strong and accurate or high quality spawn resistance levels, and just entering off those simple, right? Obviously you can have psychological edge, you can have fundamental edge, you can have your risk management edge. And even if you watch my videos, when I'm even the way I'm trailing my stop losses, the way I'm going through, like, it's keeping everything super simple but yet maximizing my profit gains, minimizing my losses. That itself is an edge. I hope you found value from it. By the way, for those who are not able to afford the one-to-one mentorship, if you just come with a link, will be like I mentioned in the video description, the Discord community, you can get my 700k funded, maybe 700k funded. I've had so many messages from these parts of the world where I understand, you can't afford it, but still they share equal or more passion than for trading even than myself, just for less than 3 digits. Probably the most affordable course on the internet, and I made it super, now in everyone's reach, the exact way how I trade. So I hope you found value from this. Link will be in the video description once again. And by the way, if you don't want to join, that is just, my videos provide enough value anyway. So like, comment, subscribe, share. Take care. I'm out.